In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Capcut using an iPhone. Whether you're new to editing or just looking to refine your skills, this quick tutorial is here to help. Zooming in on specific parts of your video can be a great way to draw attention to details or enhance certain areas of your footage. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to manually zoom in, also known as performing a static zoom in. So to begin, open the Capcut app on your iPhone. Once you've got the app open, you'll want to start by tapping on New Project. This is your starting point for any video editing task in Capcut. It's also where you import any videos that you want to work on. Next, you'll go ahead and import the video you'd like to edit. Now this could be any video you've shot, or even a previously edited piece that you want to refine further. After you have your video imported, you'll see it appear in the timeline at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the video clip here, as this is where all the real magic begins. At this point you should see a preview screen in the app. This is where you need to get hands on. To zoom in, you'll use two fingers on the preview screen and then spread them outward in a motion known as pinch out. This gesture essentially allows you to zoom into the specific section of the video you're targeting. It's similar to how you might zoom in on a photo on your smartphone. Very intuitive. Once you've achieved the zoom level that you're happy with, you might find that the focus isn't quite right. Maybe the subject you want to highlight isn't in the center. No worries, simply drag the clip around within the preview screen to find that perfect frame. This is a good chance to ensure that the key details are well framed and centered, giving your video a polished and professional look. Finally, after you've adjusted the zoom and positioned the clip just right, it's crucial to save your work. In Capcut, this is done by tapping the check mark. This step confirms your edits and ensures that your beautifully zoomed in video is saved just the way you want it. And there you have it. You've now successfully zoomed in on a video using Capcut on your iPhone. Remember, zooming can be a powerful tool to enhance your audience's focus on particular aspects of your video. Whether you're highlighting an important detail, creating a dramatic effect, or just experimenting with new editing techniques, mastering this feature will surely take your video editing skills to the next level. Thanks for watching and happy editing.